Hey, I'm Andrew Cruz. I'm a retired Marine and a systems-first business builder. I've built gyms from scratch, bought and flipped others for profit, and scaled a service company that's done over 4,200 events. I help founders like you scale without being stuck in every decision. Most gym owners and service operators, they hit a wall. They are doing sales, delivery, team training, and the second they slow down, the business does too. The issue isn't their effort, it's that they've never built systems behind the business to let it run itself. And I fixed that using the same 4 pillars I use to run every business I've ever built. And it starts with leadership, having clear roles, ownership, and accountability. Communication, no guesswork, no repeated instructions. Mindset, think like an operator, not just a technician. And systems and processes, so things run without you in the loop. I've trained teams, independent contractors, and staff using the exact model. I've built out 2 gyms from the floor up. I've acquired 2 others, and I've sold 2 for profit. My service company has delivered over 4,200 events, and the team runs without me in the middle. If you want to grow your business without you in the middle of it, we need to build your system.